Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the exact software package name and where it runs. This matters because commands differ. Open a terminal or the program UI with appropriate permissions. Once ready, try the fastest checks. Run common flags like version or V, or use the program's help menu. If nothing prints, make sure the executable is on your path or that you've targeted the correct binary. These first steps narrow down which method will reveal the version reliably. Once done with quick flags, use platform-specific tools to query installed package data. On Linux, use dpkg-s or rpmq. On Mac OS, use brewinfo. On Windows, use chocolist or getcommand. For language packages, try pipshow, npm-ls, or cargo search. You can also inspect binary metadata. Right-click About, check File Properties, or run the executable with verbose or version subcommands. Make sure to run the commands. You finish by confirming the version from at least two sources: CLI output and the program's about or package manifest. Once confirmed, verify the install path to ensure you're not hitting a different version. Check path order or virtual environments. If outputs disagree or the version won't show, try running the executable by full path or reinstalling to refresh metadata. One key troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, run the explicit full path to the binary to avoid shadowed installations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.